This guide will help you navigate the process of handling an account review on iCloud effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Log into your iCloud account. Visit the iCloud website or open the iCloud app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for options related to security and privacy, as these will be crucial for the review process. Step 3. Review security information. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your account review. Apple may provide specific instructions or requests for additional information that you need to follow. Step 5. Follow up on the review. If your account is under review, monitor your email for updates from Apple. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for information or verification to resolve the review efficiently. In conclusion, staying proactive and organized during your iCloud account review will help you navigate the process with ease. Make sure to keep your information updated and respond to any communications from Apple promptly.